Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Prime Treasures, your go-to guide for the best gear, gadgets, and smart lifestyle upgrades that deliver high performance without the high price tag. Today, we're unpacking something every traveler needs, literally. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe, packing for a road trip, or just trying to make it through airport security in one piece, the right luggage can make or break your travel experience. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best travel luggage picks of 2025, ranked by durability, capacity, design, tech features, and real traveler feedback. From ultra-lightweight carry-ons to expandable checked bags to smart luggage that charges your phone. There's something here for every journey. As always, you'll find links to all the luggage we mentioned down in the description below. Let's roll out. Number 10. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Spinner. Starting us off is the Samsonite Freeform, a lightweight yet ultra-durable hardside spinner that's ideal for frequent flyers. Made from impact-resistant polypropylene, the Freeform is built to handle rough baggage claims without cracking or denting. It features smooth-rolling double spinner wheels, an expandable main compartment, and integrated TSA locks. Inside, you get cross straps, zippered compartments, and plenty of space for a full week's worth of clothes. If you're looking for a trusted name in travel with modern upgrades, the Freeform delivers style and strength in one. Number 9. Away, the bigger carry-on Flex. Away is a travel favorite, and the bigger carry-on Flex takes it up a notch for 2025. It features a durable polycarbonate shell, an expandable zipper system for up to 2.25 extra inches of packing space, and 360 spinner wheels for smooth airport gliding. You also get an ejectable USB charger built into the shell, perfect for powering devices on the go. The interior compression system and hidden laundry bag make packing smarter and more organized. It's the sleek, tech-savvy carry-on for modern travelers who don't want to sacrifice function for fashion. Number 8. Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner. At number 8, the Platinum Elite from Travelpro is built for business travelers who value reliability and organization. Its high-density nylon fabric with DuraGuard coating resists stains and abrasions, while the precision glide wheels and telescoping handle make navigation a breeze. It includes built-in USB ports, power bank not included, a Deluxe tie-down system, and a fold-out suit compartment for wrinkle-free packing. With a trusted pedigree from airline crew professionals, this is a high-end pick for frequent flyers who want both luxury and longevity. Number 7. Monos Carry-On Pro Plus. Monos is quickly becoming a crowd favorite, and the Carry-On Pro Plus is their most versatile option. This case blends minimalist style with hardcore function, made from aerospace-grade polycarbonate, with an easy-access front laptop compartment. Inside, you'll find compression straps, antimicrobial lining, and waterproof laundry bags to separate clean from dirty. It also meets most international carry-on size limits, even with the added tech pouch. If you're after luxury design and smart storage, Monos delivers in a beautifully crafted package. Number 6. Delsey Paris Chatelet Air 2.0. If you want travel gear with serious French flair, the Delsey Chatelet Air 2.0 is a head-turner. Its stylish faux leather accents and textured finish make it look boutique-level, while still offering solid durability with its polycarbonate shell. You get whisper-quiet wheels, a TSA combination lock, and a tracking plate that works with Delsey's luggage locator app. The interior is lined with eco-friendly fabric made from recycled plastic bottles. Elegance meets sustainability. This is the bag for those who want their luggage to look as sharp as their travel wardrobe. Number 5. Level 8 Roadrunner Pro Carry-On. It includes a front compartment that opens separately for quick laptop access, plus a USB charging port and a built-in laptop sleeve with shock absorption. Made with German Macrolon polycarbonate, it's lightweight but tough enough for overhead bin battles. The interior is sleek and organized, and the quiet spinner wheels make movement effortless. If you're a tech-heavy traveler or a digital nomad, this is the carry-on that keeps pace with your devices. Number 4. TUMI Alpha Continental Dual Access. TUMI brings luxury and strength with the Alpha Continental, designed for high-end business travel. It features a ballistic nylon shell, dual entry compartments, and an integrated USB port with a dedicated power bank pocket. TUMI's signature add-a-bag hook, premium wheels, and precision zippers elevate the experience. Inside, you'll find customizable dividers, a garment sleeve, and compression straps that keep things tight and tidy. It's a serious investment, but for premium performance, TUMI is hard to beat. Number 3. Briggs Riley Baseline Expandable Spinner. Their CX compression expansion system allows you to pack more, and then compress it back to original size for easier storage. The exterior ballistic nylon is water and abrasion resistant, and the outsider handle system gives you a perfectly flat packing surface. Lifetime warranty, even covering airline damage, makes it a favorite among seasoned travelers. If you're tired of broken zippers and dented shells, this is your forever suitcase. Number 2. July Checked Plus Luggage. An elegant and massive checked bag with lightweight durability. Made with German polycarbonate, it holds up to 110 liters and includes silent spinner wheels, a crush-proof shell, and stain-resistant lining. Its integrated TSA lock and personalized monogram options make it both secure and stylish. July also offers lifetime warranties and carbon-neutral shipping, making it a conscious consumer favorite. If you're headed on a long-haul vacation or relocating, the Checked Plus fits it all, without falling apart. Number 1. Etekcity Smart Luggage 2.0. And at number 1, the Etekcity Smart Luggage 2.0, the most high-tech bag of the year. It features built-in GPS tracking, a removable power bank with USB-C and Lightning ports, auto-lock zippers, and an integrated scale so you never exceed airline weight limits. Its carbon fiber reinforced frame makes it insanely durable, while the modular interior system adapts to short or long trips. The companion app alerts you when the bag moves away from you, and even logs your travel history. If you're a frequent flyer or tech lover who wants the smartest bag on the carousel, Etekcity delivers the future of luggage. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 10 best travel luggage picks of 2025. Whether you're heading out for business, vacation, or a digital nomad lifestyle, the right luggage keeps you moving stress-free and in style. From sleek carry-ons to tech-loaded spinners, there's a perfect travel companion for every kind of trip. Tried any of these? Got a favorite travel bag? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from our travel-savvy community. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another travel-ready buying guide from Prime Treasures. Thanks for watching, and bon voyage!